Homemade keto Italian dressing that's ready in 5 minutes with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. In a bowl or salad shaker, add 6 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of white or red wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1.5 tablespoons of parsley flakes, 1.5 teaspoons of keto honey substitute, 1.5 teaspoons of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Shake or mix well. And there you have it, keto Italian dressing. Tasty and very easy to make. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.